Morning, guys. Today we're going to talk about dividing a fraction by a whole number. So if Kara has 4 chocolate chip cookies and she wants to give 1/2 of a cookie to each of her friends, how many friends can she give half of a cookie to? So let's think about what this problem is asking. Okay, I have my 4 cookies up on the screen, which you can see. If I wanted to give half a cookie to each of my friends, I would divide it in half, and that would give me, okay, they're not exactly in half, but that's okay. That would give me how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that's telling me I can give each of my friends half a cookie, but I can only give them to 8 of my friends. Okay? So this is taking a whole unit, the whole cookie, dividing it in half to be able to give it to more people. But what happens when Kara has half of a chocolate chip cookie and she wants to share that with 4 of her friends? What fraction of the cookie will each of her friends get? Well, we start again with our half of a cookie. I can divide that. Since she's sharing this half of a cookie with 4 friends, we're going to divide it into 4 separate pieces. So now I've cut my cookie into 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it looks like each person's going to get 1/4 of the cookie, but that's not the truth because we only have half of that cookie. So if it takes 4 of these pieces to make 1/2, it would take 8 of these pieces to make the whole. So if I had the whole cookie here, look at that. I actually had 8 of those pieces. So our answer isn't 1/4, but 1/2 divided by 4 actually equals 1/8 of a cookie. Okay? Okay. So let's look at 1/2 divided by 5. So instead of using a circle this time, because sometimes it's easier to use a rectangle, that's what I'm going to start with. So we have our rectangle, and I'm only looking at this 1/2 of a rectangle, the blue section. So this is asking us what happens if we divide the half into 5 pieces. So how many groups did I divide it into? Divided it into 5 pieces here. So how big is each group? It's not 1/5, it's actually 1/10. Because if I had continued my line over to this other half of the rectangle, we would see that we have 10 pieces total. So 1/2 divided by 5 is 1/10. Now for your assignment today, I want you to work on pages 31 and 32 in your packet. It's very similar to what you did yesterday, except this time you're dividing a fraction into a whole number of pieces, just like we worked on. If you have any problems, comments, questions, concerns, drop a comment below and I will get to you as quick as I can. Have a great day, guys.